Well, it's cloudy, spitting rain. Actually, I'm really glad did a little bit of combine yesterday, even though I didn't think it would work, but it did. Almost done our piece, almost. Anyways, today got some spare tires, some jacks, some other stuff. Head into bigger Saskatchewan to pick up a straight cut 'em header for our old Massey combines. It's a good deal, and it'd be good to have a spare straight cut header. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So a little bit of a late start. It's like noon, so I got tail lights, got all that stuff, got the blinky flashy thing for the roof. So we're gonna be all legal like. Let me get time. So some go-go juice in this thing. I'll speed this up a little. Some go-go juice in the 6 liter. Away we go. All right, we made it. Here's this magnificent Massey. I think this is a Massey, or is it a white? Anyways, same thing. So we'll put our lights on. Tested the lights before, don't worry, they work. Let's not wreck them, I suppose, would be a good idea as well. Oh, this header came from Combine World at one point in time. Actually, where would the serial number plate be? So I wonder if it's a white or a Massey. Yeah, we'll find it eventually. Let's get these lights put on first. There we go, we got lights, got reflective tape, header strap down, got our beacon light. Look at that. Whew. We're good to go. I like it. All right. Made it to Unity. Gonna stop at the A&W, grab some lunch. The tire's warm, not hot. The bearing, cold. Tire's warm but not hot, so that's fine. All our lights are on, our reflective tape's still on. This one, tire's warm, hub is cold. Sweet. So we think got an injector, at least one injector on this 06 6 liter that's kaput. Was hauling a load of salt and stopped at a stop sign. Like, everything was going good. We figure we need a new turbo as well in it, because we can't get it, the vanes are sticking, so we can't get lots of boost. We don't got any low end boost, and yeah, so anyways, and I think it needs an alternator, but needs a new turbo. But nonetheless, nice and smooth. Truck ran like a top, hauling salt and with a trailer, so like 6,000 pounds. Stop at a stop sign, take off, get going, getting up to road speed, hit the cruise, and it's like, man, it's like you got a rock in the tires, like just a little bit of vibration. I'm like, what the heck? Like, the road's not rough, I don't got rocks in the tires, it's a highway, what the heck? Whatever. So take the cruise off, ooh, goes away. It's like, oh, tell me it's U-joint, but it's like, no, can't hear nothing. It's just a vibration. It's like, then you can feel it, and you're like, oh yeah, we don't have as much boost. And as you accelerate it, it's like, and this one, like, just boom, all of a sudden, just stop sign, took off, injector. So changed the fuel filters, didn't change nothing. We have had that in the past, but so it's like, well, what injector? How many injectors? So we are gonna. I got the 4Scan on the computer. Yeah, not recommended to drive it on the road. Yeah, okay. Let's plug her in. Ooh. Got this force scan for the computer. It's not Wi-Fi. Well, Wi-Fi would be nice because I could have the computer out on the truck, but new version available, whatever. I don't care right now. Connect to vehicle. Oh, I guess we gotta put the switch on. Vehicle's not moving, ignition is on. There we go. Ooh, look at that. 06 model year. Ooh, look at that. It says it's a 6-liter. It says it's turboed. Gives us the VIN number and everything. Oh, we got transmission control module, powertrain control module. Boy, howdy. Giddy up. Instrument cluster found only DTCs, ABS. DTCs in the PCM. Oh yeah. So we got a few. Whoop. This vehicle may contain UBP modules. Does your you don't have a switch on this. Nope. Yeah, let's say this. Dually. Since we got, well, that's not how you spell dually. There we go. Since we got another two 6-liters. Okay. Oh, look at that! Injector 5, circuit low. No. Really? Huh. Oh. Okay. Contribution balance. Oh, look at that. Oh. Haha. I think it's injector number 5. What else do we got? EGR system insufficient flow detected. I think it's got no EGR on it anymore. Cooling fan speed sensor, no signal. Oh. Throttle, goodness sakes, there's a lot of things in here. What else we got? Injector control pressure sensor circuit low. Good grief. Injector number 5. Okay, I think we found our injector. What are you doing, Caffey? Jeez. Alright, I see instrument cluster, nothing. Gem. Transmission transfer case, well, it works. I don't know what that problem is there. 2-wheel drive well, that all works. I don't know why battery voltage low. Okay, anyways, let's go to our testing. Injector control self-test. Yep, vehicle's not moving. It's in the park position. You hear it? You can hear it clicking. Oh, I would. Six, 7, 8. 1, 2. Yeah, number 5's not working. Whoa! Look at that. Let's do it again. I didn't think I heard number 1. What's with this vacuum pump? One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Number 5 injector. Oh, what's going on with our vacuum pump? Is what the heck? This thing's loud. Anyways, I'm gonna fix that. But I'm gonna order injectors, 2 injectors, just have a spare one, and a turbo. Then when I take the injectors, take everything apart to put injectors in, the 1 injector, number 5, then we'll swap turbos out too. So, look at that. Number 5 conjector. Kaput. Circuit low. Possible causes, fuel injector. Fickum. Interesting. Okay. Let us go, and how do we zero all of these things? Oh well, whatever. Imperial. We want Imperial. Oh well, good enough. Sweet, we found out what was wrong. Now we gotta get an injector. Yippee. Well, since it's cold outside, it might freeze tonight. Time to do a overdue oil change. Yeah, poor Skitty Bob gets all neglected. Maybe I'll get a little bit of TLC, some new oils. His hydraulic oil's been changed a couple of times. But not his engine oil, so here goes that. Well, I flushed gave it a couple flushes with diesel, and finally it's not pitch black coming out of there, so that's perfect. Let that drain. We'll put my favorite additive company, some more Hot Shot secret stuff. Stiction Eliminator. Put this in last time we filled the Bobcat up, and I don't know, did check the filters, and it was almost 300 hours, which is I'm not on these things with the garbage emissions in them. Kind of prefer. Come on, which one's fuller? That one's emptier. This one. I do like this shelf, no doubt about it, but could be like an inch taller in between. Anyways, use 040 and this Stiction Eliminator. It does pretty good, even though with emissions, since this thing eats its own crap. Kind of do prefer to do like 150, 200 hour oil changes, because there's a lot of carbon and gunk. But I'll give Kubota this. They make a heck of a motor, considering it's been eating its crap for almost 5,000 hours. I think it's still original motor. It's doing pretty good, I must say. So treat it well, give it good oil, T6 Rotella, some good that stuff. Yeah, it'll be all right, I guess.